Hello, bird. Errol, come here. Come on, go and get back in the water. Come on. Come on. Errol, Gus, leave. Go and get back in the water. Hello, big boy. You wait, Gus, come back, Gus. Look, I'm getting your bread out. Errol, this way. Come on, look, I've got your bread. Fuck me. Go, Errol, Gus, come on. Gus, come over here. Oi, just chill out, bird. Oh, he's a bit evil, this one, isn't he? Fuck me, come on. Gus. Come on, quick. We're trying to get jumped by the fucking swan. Go and get in the water. Gus, come on, quick, he's trying to get us. Come on, birds. Fuck them two, eh, Gus? Fuck that. Come on, birds. Errol, don't be eating shit. Look at it all up, Jesus Christ. Come on, birds. Come on. You stay over there, you big bastard. Oh, he's a bit aggressive, this one, isn't he? Come on, ducks. Oh, look out, here he comes. Fuck me. Quick, take that. You stay in there, you fucker. Well, yeah, that one. Right, last bit, out. That's you. Come on. You're not having it. Well. Right, last bit's gone. Fuck you, swans. Come on.